Today the topics of hexagonal pyramid, axis inclined to VP and parallel to HP. Introduction of hexagonal pyramid. It is a three-dimensional solid composed of a regular hexagon face, 6 triangular face, 1 apex. Such solids are frequently used in engineering design, structural geometry and CAD modeling. We consider a hexagonal pyramid such that the axis inclined to VP, that means a vertical plane and horizontal plane. The solid is tilted in sideways. Inclination is visible in top view. The front view shows apparent. Reference plane, horizontal plane and vertical plane. Horizontal plane and vertical plane. Terminology: axis, line joining apex to center of the base, regular hexagon, and slant edge joining apex to base with vertex. Actual length of edge viewed incorrectly. The data of side hexagon approximately 25 mm, axis length 60 mm, and inclined at 40 degree to VP. Axis parallel to HP. Draw the simple position and inclination by rotations in the top view. Project the final front view. Assuming simple position, base resting on HP. Base resting on HP. Axis perpendicular to HP. One base edge parallel to VP. Top view plan. Draw a reference line XY first. So XY. Below the XY, draw a regular hexagon, one side parallel to XY. Mention the name of the corner A, B, C, D, E. Mark center O. Draw the front view, that means elevation. Project vertical line from all base points. Mark apex O above the center. Height equal to axis length. Join apex to all base corner. Show visible edges clearly. Now the pyramid is in simple position. Apply the inclinations. Axis inclined to VP, axis parallel to HP. Inclination must be applied in top view. Next, rotate the top view. Redraw or rotate the top view first. Make the axis inclined at 30 degree, 40 degree to XY. Keep axis parallel to HP. The step 5. Project the final front view. Draw the projector upward from rotated top view. Take height from original front view. Mark new apex on the base points. Join edge carefully. In top view, the rules all is generally in visible conditions. In the front view, some edge may be hidden. Thickness of line or dash line. In the key observations, axis is a parallel to HP. That means a true length seen in top view. Axis inclined to VP. Inclination visible in top view. Front view appear compressed. When tilted, the base shape distorts in front view. True shape visible only in initial position. The rotation occurred about a point or edge. Distortion occurred due to the projection. Apparent length different from true length.